Hey everyone, welcome back to Future Drive, your go-to channel for everything cutting edge in the world of cars. Today, we're talking about one of the most anticipated compact crossovers of the year, the all-new 2026 Mazda CX-20. Whether you're a Mazda loyalist or just curious about the newest entry into the competitive subcompact SUV market, you're going to want to stick around for this one. Mazda has officially revealed the CX-20 as an all-new model for 2026, sitting just below the CX-30 in its lineup. This is not a refresh, but a brand new nameplate that's designed to attract younger urban drivers and small families looking for a stylish yet efficient ride. Mazda is clearly going after the likes of the Honda HR-V, Hyundai Kona, and Toyota Corolla Cross with this one, and they've brought their A-game. Let's talk design. The 2026 CX-20 carries Mazda's signature Kodo design language, but with even sharper lines and a more upright stance. The front end is bold with a wide grille and slim LED headlights that give it a premium look far above its segment. The rear is clean and modern, featuring new wraparound taillights and a floating roofline that adds a sense of motion, even when parked. Under the hood, Mazda keeps things simple but efficient. The base model comes with a 2.0-liter Sky-Activ G4-cylinder engine producing around 155 horsepower. There's also an optional mild hybrid setup that adds better fuel efficiency and smoother starts, which Mazda claims will deliver up to 37 mpg combined. Front-wheel drive comes standard, but all-wheel drive is available across all trims, and it's tuned with Mazda's G-vectoring control for confident handling. Inside, the CX-20 is impressively refined. You get a minimalist dash layout with a standard 10.25-inch infotainment screen controlled by Mazda's rotary dial. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are standard, and higher trims get wireless versions plus a premium 12-speaker Bose audio system. Soft touch materials, a floating center console, and ambient lighting bring a surprisingly upscale vibe to a car in this class. Safety-wise, Mazda includes its iActiveSense suite as standard. That means adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic alert, and automatic emergency braking are all included, a big win for safety-conscious buyers. So, how much is it going to cost? The 2026 Mazda CX-20 starts at a very competitive $24,995 for the base Select trim. The preferred trim comes in at $27,500 and adds synthetic leather, a power driver's seat, and dual-zone climate control. Top-of-the-line premium models, which include AWD, the Bose system, and a moonroof, will run you about $30,995. Mazda also hinted at a future plug-in hybrid CX-20 variant, possibly arriving in late 2026, but we'll have to wait for confirmation on that. Overall, the 2026 Mazda CX-20 delivers strong value, sleek design, and fun-to-drive dynamics, all wrapped up in a compact package that's ready for city life or weekend getaways. If you're shopping for a new subcompact SUV in the next year, the CX-20 should definitely be on your radar. Thanks for watching Future Drive. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss any of our latest reviews and previews. Until next time, drive safe and stay ahead of the curve.